3 years ago, we asked Australian mining workers a question: will AI improve or reduce your job security? At the time, most people didn't have a clear answer. Around 40% were unsure. Last month, we asked the same question. This time, 223 mining workers responded. Now, the uncertainty has mostly disappeared. It's down from 40% to just 5%. So people aren't sitting on the fence. They appear to have made up their minds. Now, this is where things get a little bit interesting. We're not worried about AI itself. We're worried about what happens next. As one person puts it, AI will make our jobs easier, and then they'll realize they don't need as many people. Another said we'll be expected to use AI and then expected to produce more. At what point do we review fatigue and burnout? Now, AI is widely recognized as something that will improve efficiency. And while many workers feel those gains will benefit them, there's a downside. Their sentiments reflect this. Smaller teams, higher workloads, more pressure. If our survey is anything to go by, there appears to be a gap between what the tech can do and how people believe it will be used. And we know this isn't just happening in mining. We're seeing the same conversations across industries, from corporate teams to frontline workers. People aren't pushing back on AI, they're questioning their decisions around it. Now, we've broken all this down in detail, including what this means for employers and workers, and you'll find the full piece in the link below. If you've got any thoughts or questions, reach out. I'll always get back to you. Thanks for watching.